Hi everyone, my name is Carolina and today I'm going to be sharing with you my first impressions and honest review of the long-awaited Kendall by Kylie Cosmetics collaboration. I've been waiting for this to come out and I'm so excited that it did, hence why I purchased the entire thing. So I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how I created this look. I am not a beauty guru, so stay tuned for some amateur makeup application. But yeah, if you want to see my honest opinion, what I think is worth it, what's not worth it, just keep on watching and let's get started. Disclaimer, I fell down the stairs earlier this week, so please ignore this atrocious bruise. I can't wait for it to be completely healed. So first of all, I want to say that the packaging is to die for. I am in love with it. They look stunning. It's such a natural look, which is something I strive for when I do makeup, and I feel that they really captured Kendall's essence in this collaboration. I can dream, right? This collection has been so long awaited by myself mainly. So the entire Kendall by Kylie Cosmetics consists of a palette, a blotting powder, a lip kit which brings the lip blush and lip liner, the 3 sticks, one of them to contour, one of them for blush, and the other one to highlight, a lipstick, and then also an everything everywhere gloss. Oh, and a separate lip gloss, or high gloss. So yeah, let's get started. So on my face right now, I do have foundation and brows. I love how this collection was very complete in a sense, so that's all I'm going to need because everything else will be used by Kylie Cosmetics. I know, hopefully I look as gorgeous as they do here, you know? That's why I bought the whole thing, you know? To look like that, or like that. Either or, I'll take it. Look how stunning they are. Okay, so this palette actually has 15 shades. It's really small. I kind of like that it's small because it's travel, but just so you get a gist of it, that's the size of my hand. Should I do some swatches? Like, we're going to be all official here. So this is them on my finger. They are a bit powdery. I don't know if you can see that. So this is Twice the Ice. This is Here Kenny Kenny. Name a more iconic duo. So those are my swatches. It looks like Barney, but super pretty, like a chic Barney. So I'm going in with Cup of Tea in the crease. It's a really good crease shade to have a lighter complexion. Can I like zoom you in? I'm just gonna leave you there. There's not much to see here. A YouTube beauty guru once said, blend until your arm falls off. Do I want to be adventurous? We're gonna phone a friend because I can't decide if to be adventurous. Filming my video and we're phoning a friend. What color should I go with? I can't decide if to just do something natural or play with color.
Ooh, can you do natural and a pop of color?
So that's what I was gonna go for, but tell me what color because there's some fun ones here.
You can do pink and you can even do like some yellow in there if you're feeling extra creative.
Yeah.
Some orange to blend it out.
This is so bold. Okay, we're gonna go with it. So this could either go terrible or, you know, we'll see.
Okay.
Thank you. Nice. So next up, I'm going to go in with I'm Telling Mom, and I'm going to dabble into Thicker Than Water. Everything is blending out perfectly. I'm really enjoying it, actually. The palette's a little powdery, but it doesn't matter. I really love how it's blending out. So things may go south here, just a fair warning. I'm going to dabble into Scorpio Energy, which is the pink. Alright, I think I'm going to cover my whole lid right now. Oh, we have a visitor. Say hello, 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 hello. I love you. Thanks for stopping by. So despite how powdery it is, there isn't much fallout, which is nice. I don't know how I feel about this. I'm going to go back in with I'm Telling Mom and a bit of Cup of Tea to blend out a little bit at the top, the crease. So I'm going to take some of Loyal and Scorpio Energy under my eye. I'm going to put some Model Energy. Okay, wow, with mascara it looks so good. Okay, so I put on a bit of mascara and I'm loving the palette. I'm more of a complexion person, but quite frankly, I love this palette. It makes me want to dabble into eyeshadow more. I love the colors because there's both neutral and pops of colors to play with. I thought that this would be the one that I use the least out of everything that I purchased, but quite frankly, I think I'm going to be using it a lot more. And so we have a Kai stick, a blush stick, and a bronzer stick. So I'm going to go ahead and with the bronzer stick. You know, I wonder if this is the same formula as KKW Beauty's contour sticks. Anyone thought that? Or just me? So we're going to go ahead and do some dots. Always the shape of the 3. I'm so scared. And then this is the trick right here. You want a jawline like Kendall and Kylie? Take it down here. Okay, and then we're going to do some nose contouring. And we're done. No, I'm kidding. So this is the bronzer stick applied. So I like to brush upward. Extremely blendable, so that's my first thought. Wow, I really like this. So this is my face contoured with the bronzer stick. It is extremely natural, extremely blendable. If you're looking for something more noticeable or a stronger contour, maybe going up a couple shades would be the move. Maybe this is too natural for you if you like a sharper contour. I personally love it because I like that natural dewy look. So like Kylie, blush is one of my favorite parts of makeup. I love the warmth it gives a face. So with this I may do more than you normally would, but I just love a good rosy face. Maybe I'm doing too much. I even take it above the temples and just blending it upward always is the best way to go about it. I love going across the nose because I feel like it gives like that little sun-kissed effect. And I love looking like I have a natural blush at all times. I like it a lot. A little more blush never hurt nobody. The blush, like the bronzer, is extremely blendable, so it's really good for just those natural looks, and I feel like even if you put an excessive amount, you can always just tap in and fix it. So I'm going to go ahead and be applying highlight where you normally apply highlight, so on the cheekbones. I always do an exclamation point on my nose, going straight down the middle, and then a little dot at the tip. A little tip for you guys. I love to do above my brows here. So I'm going to go ahead and blend this in with my fingertips. The highlight isn't necessarily my favorite, but it is blendable. It's very natural. Of the 3, it's my least favorite. So the next one is the blotting powder. So this is the packaging. It says it's a blotting powder, but it's not a powder. It's a balm. This actually really does mattify. It's weird because it's a cream and not a powder, but I feel like I'm seeing my pores not as prominent as they are when you have a dewy look. I would even recommend this as a primer before your makeup because I put it on and I really noticed the difference of my pores in my T-zone right away. If you go in with this after powder, I don't know how it would sit on top of your makeup, but most definitely applying this as a primer. If you go out without any makeup and you just want to mattify, I highly recommend this. A girl can dream. So next we're going in with the lip blush and lip liner. When she swatched this color, I knew I had to have it. Specifically needed this lip color. There's a reason her lip liners are as successful as they are. This is so creamy. And this color is the definition of your lips but better. So I'm basically just lining my lips right now. And I'm doing a little X that I've seen on TikTok people do to contour. Do I have Kylie's lips yet? No lip kit that I can get me those lips. Okay, and now I'm going in with the lip blush. This smells like a cake batter, but a cake that's in the oven. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. I've never tried this formula before. It's called the lip blush, and I'm very happy with it. It's not sticky at all. It's super creamy. It's so lightweight. I don't even feel it on my lips at all whatsoever. And I feel like it's that Your Lips But Better color. The next product I'm really excited for. I think I'll probably use this lip product much more than the lip kit just because I love more of a gloss look. And it is the High Gloss in the shade Can I Borrow That? It's not tacky at all. Super high shine if you can't notice. I love that look where it looks like you just had some fried chicken and the grease is still on your lips. If that makes any sense. I know people, my sister's in the room, so she's cracking up. And last but not least of the products, this is actually the product I was not as interested in. It is the Everything Everywhere Gloss. She said in her stories that you can use this one to highlight your face, on your lips, on your eyelids. Actually quite small if you want to put it into perspective. It's very pretty, no doubt. I just don't think I will use it as much. So I'm going to grab a little bit. Just apply it on my cheekbone how she said. I would have called this the wet effect. Straight up do. It's very pretty for this. Let me try it a little bit on the lid. You feel it a little heavy on the lid, which is normal. I personally wouldn't reach for this that much. It's not a look that I tend to lean towards. I go for much more natural looks. So that is every single product from the Kendall by Kylie Cosmetics collaboration on my face. I'm very happy with how it turned out. I would recommend this to anyone who enjoys natural makeup and wants to occasionally dabble into a pop of color. All the products I would very, very much recommend. Everything is very blendable. I love this lip combo. It's like your lips but better. The only thing that I probably won't be reaching for is that Everywhere gloss. I just don't see the need for it in my makeup collection as much, but by all means, if you're looking for that wet look, I would say go for it. Thank you so very much for watching. I can't say thank you enough. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, go ahead and subscribe, and I hope to see you again very, very soon.